Okay, so this is the final episode of The Sound of Magic, and it has been a whirlwind. It has been a doozy. I keep grabbing onto the stuff around me because it's just like, what is going on? What is happening? Somebody was floating in the water. I need to know who it is. So let's watch this last episode. Is this for the body that was in the water? Oh, was that her? Is that her body? I don't believe Sir Magic Man did it. Was it convenience store dude? Sir Magic Man, where are you? They said you murdered somebody. What is that? What is it?
이런 데가 있는 줄도 모르고 엄청 걱정했다고요.
Hello? You okay?
우리 미녀가 지금 많이 아파. 미녀야, 괜찮아? 내 목소리 들려.
경찰이 여기로 곧 들이닥칠 거라니까요.
전혀 나랑 상관없는 얘기야. 그러니까 내가 피할 이유 없어.
He got way too much faith in the law right now.
정말 너도 나를 못 믿어?
Man, oh. Believe him. I'll be like, of course I believe you. Of course you didn't do it.
유민혁 씨?
Is that his real name?
폭행 살해된
나는 그 누가 뭐래도 그건 중요하지 않다고 나한테 말해줄 수 있는 사람. 그리고 나 금방 나올 건데.
What? I think you not. I don't believe that smile.
3년 전 성미동 초등학생 실종 사건 당시에도 용의자로 2차례나 조사받았어.
So he's been arrested multiple times and he still has faith that like things work out, that people will believe him. Has he escaped every time or has he gotten off every time? But he could have been completely fake. He couldn't have. He can't. No.
정말 미친 사람인 걸까?
If he a crazy person, so are you, because how are you flying in the sky?
민혁인 대단한 아이였어요. 옆 학교에서도 다 알 만큼.
That's why he understands Ildon. That makes sense.
누가 뭐?
자꾸 틀리는 문제가 생겨. 부모님 실망하시는 거 정말 싫은데.
민혁아.
Oh, he was in the field of flowers too? Oh, Lord.
이래도 본인이 아니에요? 서연이 모른다고?
I'm just feeling so many things. I don't even know what to say anymore. Did he make himself disappear? I still say he's being set up.
경찰서에서 조사받다가 아저씨가 사라졌대.
Oh, Sir Magic Man.
정해진 기준에 맞추지 못하면 낙오자 취급을 받으니까요.
So true. Also, who made these rules? Who set these standards? Who are these people?
언제부터 이 세상은 꿈도 규격에 맞추어 꺼야 하는 곳이 되었을까요?
Yeah. Ooh, that, yes. Why?
아저씨, 대체 어디?
Are you okay? Where did you go? Is the bird okay? Have they checked on Bella yet? Wait, he went back? He went back to do a magic show? Oh, he really isn't okay.
이전에 치료 중단했던 기록도 있고 하니까 정상 참작될 수도 있어요.
Why? Sir Magic Man just wants to be believed and left alone with his bird in his amusement park. Sir Magic Man, you can't be walking towards them with a knife when they convicting you of stuff they're trying to convict you of.
강제 연행해?
No.
자자.
I'm gonna turn on Sir Magic Man.
그때 그때 민혁이는 도와달라는 말을 하고 있었는데 아무도 듣지 못했던 거죠.
Oh, help him. Tell him you believe him. What you smiling for? Smile kind of scary. It's magic.
눈 아닙니까? 여기 실내잖아.
Sir Magic Man is putting on a show. Oh. Y'all, this moment is beautiful, but also so sad. Oh. So that was him walking up, and I said, who toes are those? Those his. Oh. Oh my.
아저씨는 진짜 마술사예요. 내가 마술을 정말 믿게 만들어줬으니까.
고마워. 내 마술이 성공할 수 있게 도와줘서.
Oh my goodness.
자, 그리고 이건 내 선물.
Sir Magic Man, don't go.
이제 갑시다.
But if he didn't do it, why? Why?
잠깐만요. 마술을
She gonna say it?
믿으세요?
Oh. Oh.
안나라 수만아라.
He looks so proud.
네, 선배님. 뭔데? 이것 좀 한번 확인해.
Please say you gonna clear his name. Please do. I knew it. That's you. Oh, gross butt. Oh, make me mad. Sir Magic Man is gone because you trash. He is so gross. He is so gross.
잘못했지.
Oh.
제가 가져간 담배랑 돈 이걸로 툭칠까요?
What's up with y'all telling people about recording their crimes? Just record it and run. So she blackmailed him and he must have killed her. Wait, was this the night that he was showing IE all the stuff? The magic for the first time? He did that on purpose to provoke him. You did though. He's even worse than I thought. Like, he's an awful human.
꼭 이렇게까지 해야겠어?
Oh, he's dropping out.
몰랐는데 꽃은 잘 닦인 아스팔트가 아니라
Oh,
울퉁불퉁한 흙에서 피는 거더라.
he's making his own life choices. It might be hard, but he'll probably be a lot happier. And his headaches will stop. Oh, is their dad around?
작년부터 아빠는 지방에 일자리를 얻으셔서 주말마다 올라오세요.
Oh, that's so sweet.
저요. 날아가 버리지 않게 계속 노력할 거예요. 아저씨가 저한테 그랬듯 누군가에게 작은 기적을 선물하는 좋은 어른이 되기 위해서.
I'm glad that she looks like she's doing well in life. Oh.
그치.
마술을 믿습니까?
It's just, I don't even have words for how I feel right now. Oh, it's a curtain call. I love it. This drama is it's beautiful. Something about what they say at the end of this episode, I think perfectly encapsulates what the whole thing is about. But I think there's also something for those of us who are adults about what type of adults are we. And yes, this drama makes me want to tap back into just that wonder I had as a child, but it also makes me want to be the type of adult that a child feels safe around enough so they know that they can also have that same wonder and imagination, and that there's someone in the world who is an adult, who is an authority figure, who supports them and who believes in them. And it really shows the importance of not only just the magic of childhood, but the power of knowing that people believe in you. Ji Chang-wook is the reason why I started watching K-dramas. His earlier dramas are some of the ones that I binged and made me give K-dramas a try, and it's the reason why this channel exists. So seeing him in this role that feels so much more different than some of the other things I've seen him in, it was just so beautiful, and there were so many layers to his character. Like, the first episode, I really wasn't feeling him because I just thought he was really, really weird. If you look back, it makes sense from the beginning how his backstory is always there, how his longing is always there. It's those little moments that just work. I so love hearing from you guys, and now that I am now in the know of everything that's going on, I cannot wait to talk to you in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so that you can see more of my K-drama reactions in the future. And guys, I will see you in my next video.